this is Irish Eyes, and I have a 3-pack of squishies that I think are adorable. They are from a company called Lazen or Lezen. I'm not positive exactly about the pronunciation. They're jumbo, slow-rising, soft, squishy toys. And I'll show you the first one. Okay, 3 peas in a pod. Super cute. Okay. Isn't that adorable? This one is just a cute little pink teddy. Very squishy. This one actually is my favorite. So we've got the beans, we have the pink teddy bear, and then my favorite, which, let me give a good squish, is the ice cream cake. And look how quickly that one just pops right back up. I thought these were such a cute little set. I think they're adorable. They're perfect hand size squishies. I think they're awesome stress busters. And I think the added bonus is that each one has this lovely, wonderful fragrance. They smell like ice cream or fruits and just absolutely delectable. Just fantastic. Great, great fragrance.